Hi everyone, so I've been receiving the emails of all the persons who have entered the 2019 designer dress competition, and guess what? We have 40 young Jamaican designers who have entered the competition. Now we're getting ready to have our first meeting with them, and we'll be videotaping them, and we look forward to letting you know who they are. So stay tuned. Listen, to get more information, visit our wedding channel, Jamaica Wedding Channel. Visit us on Instagram at Helen G Events, and check us out on Facebook at Jamaica Wedding. So stay tuned. We are dying for you to meet them. So before we get into the meat of the matter, I am going to ask you to introduce yourselves. Tell us your name, which brand you're representing. If you have a brand or design house. And let me know why you're here and what you hope to accomplish. And I'm going to start with this young lady right here.
Hello, good morning.
Hi.
My name is Karen.
Hallelujah.
My name is Karen Ferguson. I don't have a brand name, but I do my own thing on a case design.
What do you hope to accomplish, or why you're here? Any one of them?
I'm here because I want the experience, and I hope to be the winner.
Okay. Welcome.
Good morning, I'm Tamika Jackson Welsh. I'm from Tamika's Designs. And for me, wedding dress has always been a little pleasure of mine. I make mini wedding dress for my daughter, so maybe I can get, I actually designed my own, so I would like to, have the experience of a competition, because I'm not really so competitive. So I hope this competition will help me to get over that. Very good.
Okay, welcome. I must say some of us might think that we're not competitive, but once the competition starts, right?
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
My name is Rashana Gray. I'm an Edna Manning student. So my brand is Gray Designs. What I want to accomplish. As a fashion student at Edna Manning, this competition will be a push for me in terms of getting my brand together, and as a way to put myself out there, as this is my final year in college. So.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Stephanie Gibbs, and my design name is Gibbs Lavo. Well, I'm here to get more experience and to win. And also I'm looking forward in specializing in bridals and tops.
Yes.
Okay, good morning, everyone. My name is Tashana Wallace. I represent the brand Stella Nova. My hope in this competition is just to bring my vision to life and just make it something spectacular. That's it.
Hello, good morning, everyone. My name is Renee, or some people call me Lulu. I am the designer of Rebirth Couture. Been designing since I'm a teenager. So I know. Yeah, so I have a passion for this. I really love couture and fine detail and gowns and such. So this is like a dream right now. Of course, everyone wants to win, and the exposure, advertisement is really good. So, yes.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Abigail Fagan. My brand name is Abby's Realign, or sometimes I say Abby Boutique. I'm here because I want the experience. I have made bridesmaid dresses before. I made only one wedding dress before. And I said the competition, I said, no man. I'm going to try to stop me. Even if I don't win, I would like to in the top 3.
Okay. Okay, before he introduces himself, both have been in these competitions before.
Good morning.
I guess he wants to win this year.
Good morning. Just to back on what she said, how can someone win without winning? Without getting that main prize, how can you win? You understand? Win without winning. My name is Moses Fennell from House of Fennell. I see this year as a lovely competition being at the Georgian Heritage Site of Devon House. Lovely promotions so far. Out of this competition, I like to network with persons within the bridal sector. For me, I would like to see wedding tourism. For example, for me and other designers, partnering with bridal event planning and other person within the sector. So persons anywhere around the world can come to choose Jamaica, come to Jamaica with a full package. So, full package, anywhere you are in the world, come to Jamaica, bridal tourism.
Hello everyone, my name is Tony Dice.
Tony, hi.
Hi.
You're welcome,
Hello, I'm Tony Dice, I'm from Portland, and my design house is Tony Alana. I've already experienced Helen G event in 2016, and I'm here again to see how far I can reach. Hopefully I won. And I was a part of the Mission Catwalk Season 6 this year, and what I really want to I already experienced, so I'm used to whatever, and I expect anything, and I know what to expect from what not to expect. And I was a student of the Edna Manley College and Garmix.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Jensine Graham. My brand is Endless Design. I'm here because I want to expand my brand. My first ever gown I ever made was given to me by a lady to assemble. I didn't know it was a wedding dress at the time. When I assembled it, when everyone came in my shop, they said, it's a wedding dress. So from that year, then I started to do gowns, and I really like to do gowns.
Hello everyone, my name is Esther Bell, and I've never entered a competition before, so I'm pretty excited about this one. And my name is Esther Bell, I said that, and that's my design brand as well. And I just want to bring my creativity to life, and I have an eye for great detail, jewels and stuff like that, so I really wanted to incorporate it into this dress and to just make it come to life.
Okay, good morning everyone. My name is Ramona. My design house name is Lamona Designs. Now, I love beautiful formal dresses. I'm here to enter the competition just to, expand my brand and to just explore making lovely gowns. I made a wedding dress, which was mine. But, I just want the exposure and just to basically, work with fellow designers and, we learn from each other. And yeah, this seems like an exciting competition, so I've always wanted to enter.
Good morning, my name is Dana Christie. The name of my brand is Dakawe Designs. I mostly design swimsuits and resort wear, but I am trained in other areas. For instance, in my final year at UTech, we were tasked with creating a couture dress. So really for me, this is about stepping out of my comfort zone and possibly opening up a new avenue for my business.
Good morning everyone. My name is Tikima and I am a past student of Garmix Academy, and what I expect from this competition is that I am not a person that usually into the competition, but this year I just feel open to the experience, to broaden my horizon, because I usually design everything, but since of late in this year, I have been doing a lot of bridal, and I was afforded the opportunity to do 4 weddings this year, and it was a really great experience to make somebody feel beautiful, to make somebody feel happy on their special day. So I am now branching off into that field. So for the competition, I am excited about it, open up to networking and meeting other persons, and the exposure would be great.
Morning, I'm Darian. I'm pretty shy. No. The name of my brand is Joni Marcello. I used to attend Edna and Garmix. I'm here for the experience, the exposure, so just to branch out, and well, that's it.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shamoy Grant. I'm a past student of Garmix Academy, and I have never made a wedding dress before, but I like a challenge, and I'm here just for the experience and exposure.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Michaela Saman from Clarendon. My design house is called Official Young Addiction, where I do bridal, swimwear, almost everything apart from male clothing. I entered this competition to broaden my skills because I actually started off with one bridal dress, which did not turn out well, and by accident my business was formed, so I think I should continue that bridal piece and make it into something very beautiful.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Naisha. I'm all the way from Spanish Town, and my design is Nikki Destiny Designs. Right, so I've never made any wedding just before, but so this one would be my first, and enter this competition because I want to challenge myself to do something that I love, and I mainly do like dresses and skirts and blouse. And 2 years ago, I entered this competition, but I didn't have the guts to actually come, to participate in the competition. So now I just push myself forward and hope to make the best of it. And I also want the recognition along with the experience in this competition. Thanks.
Good morning, everyone. My name is JD Lewis. I'm all the way from Manchester. My design brand is J. Lee Designs. I'm an all-round designer, both male and female, and I'm entering this competition basically to expose myself to new opportunities and things I've never done before. So I'm just here to challenge myself and work with other designers.
Morning, I'm representing Christopher Maxim of Maxim Creations, and he's done a couple dresses for Petals and Promises and entered it in Kingston Bridal Week. So he just wants to get some more exposure.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Trudian. My design house is through Akita Designs, and I entered this competition basically to stretch myself and come out of my comfort zone. I've only done one bridal dress, and it was truly a great experience. I'm here to just, advance on that.
So, for those that have been watching the competition from previous years and for those that have entered the competition before, this is a designer dress competition and it's for 8 weeks. The competition will start on November 2nd. On November 2nd, we will announce the theme for this year, okay? For those of you who are not yet on our wedding channel, Jamaica Wedding Channel, www.jamaicaweddingchannel, or you go to YouTube, jamaicaweddingchannel.com. The theme this year will be announced on the channel. So as soon as you get up on November 2nd, the video will be there announcing the theme. We may give you some hints days leading up to the competition. If you follow us on social media, for those who are following us on Instagram, you may have seen a few hints the last 2 days. They have now been deleted. So if you haven't been following us, so sorry. Right? So the theme will be announced. The theme is going to be one that will stretch you to the limit. This is the 3rd year of the competition. If you haven't designed a dress before, it's going to stretch you. All right? This year, our mentor this year will be Donald Miranda from Red Narim. Come, Donald. Donald will be working along with you in terms of assisting you through the process for your shoot. And please bear in mind these dates. We'll send an email with them, but bear in mind the dates. Your shoot, the dress is supposed to be completed by January 2nd. So the competition will start November 2nd and should be completed by January 2nd. Your dress is going to be presented in person for shooting on January 4th, and we are going to shoot the dresses at Trident Castle this year, right? So January 4th, the dresses should be ready. Your models, you're responsible for finding your models. You're responsible for how you present the dress. And remember, the competition is all about voting. The 2019 Designer Dress Bridal Fantasy Competition is in its 4th year. The Designer Dress Competition is important to Helen G Events because it showcases young Jamaican designers in Jamaica that can actually design and sew a wedding dress. Now, the competition lasts for 8 weeks, and at the end of 8 weeks, our designers will have their dress posted on our Facebook page, Jamaica Weddings, and we will give you, the audience, an opportunity to vote for your favorite dress. Now, the dresses, or the top 10 dresses with the most likes, will make it to our finale on Sunday, January 27th at Devon House. Now, you need to come out and vote for your winner. This year's cash prize is $200,000. And in addition to that, we have a People's Choice Award voted by you, our audience, on Facebook, Instagram, and on YouTube on Jamaica Wedding Channel, and the cash prize for that is $50,000 along with other prizes and gifts. Now come out, guys, vote for the designers. They have put their heart and soul into these designs, so come out and support them and vote for them on social media. Thank you, and thank you again for supporting the 2019 Designer Dress Competition.